not now. No, don't brake! Don't brake! What the fuck is going on? I don't know what happened to the tyre, I'm sorry.
Oh, don't worry about it. It could be a pothole, it could be manufacturing defects. Just a stupid place to park.
Ooh,
and that's way more than 60.
Oh, learner driver, naughty, naughty.
Undertaken now. And I can't blame him because I don't know why he's sat in the outside lane doing what, just less than 60?
Yeah, because you're doing 50. Oh.
Why are you suddenly veering over?
And now he's going over the platform.
Then people are going to say, well, you can't drive for toffee. I'm not going to trust you in my loft conversion.
Exactly. No.
They shouldn't have stopped on WL lines anyway.
No. I'm on the roundabout.
Glory holes. Oh, hello. Oh. Interesting use of pavement there.
You look like a pro. Who's with him at home?
Oh, wrong side of the keep left side.
Do you realise you're in a right left-hand turn?
Probably not. And he's gone. I mean.
Yeah. Is that enough or do you want to put more? Get.
He's definitely doing more than 50, isn't he? They all are.
Get more. We're doing 38. Get more.
Now, I suppose the question is, were they doing more than 40
when they went past?
When they went past? Because I'm still within view. I can still see it clearly.
I'd still be very cautious until you hit that. Why don't you get in the right lane?
Yeah, she used to be seeing. That's not 30 miles an hour.
Fast, isn't it?
That's why isolation. So that was fun. Just isolation was not that bad because I was with. Did they just?
Are you going to pull out?
In the car. car and they're gonna ring me. Like they did the other time.
Okay.
Wasn't that one that was it? I think so.
Oh no.
But you were over the line, you should not have stopped. But you were trying to go through the red light.
Exactly. They were both trying to go through the red light, but he stopped. I
think
don't think they did care. I think he just really started me.
You are. Oh, you're on the wrong side of the road, mate. 3 specialists. I don't know whereabouts they're all from. They're all from different bits of the UK. Those specialists.
Better stories for your family and a better future. Ultimately, you work for you.
Really?
Indeed.com has ordered
I'm not entirely sure what the point of that was.
no. It's all I was coming and it's my right way.
Yeah.
Thank you. I had to go.
It could be worse. They could have cancelled your clinic and told you that
Just keep coming at me then.
thanks to your car parts.
Phew,
Bless
baby.
you.
Looks like all the lights are on.
Either it's got a nice big electrical fault or it's stolen and they've hot wired it.
I'm too rich, that's all.
you need as you head into your Thursday next. Very breakfast show with Wix.
Protect your home for less. The Ring Video Doorbell 2 was £169, now just £149.
Also, the one in the car at the moment is an orange bulb. Just sort of like came off.
Yeah, the door came off.
No.
Oh, and the car kept turning left, so now old man in Range Rover's stuck there on a double yellow line. All you got to do is wait a bit, mate.
I don't want to do that.